How's it going, everyone? Welcome to today's video. I just got back from Menards and Walmart. I had to pick up some extra sandpaper because I guess I was out, and some extra masking tape and masking like paper because we are updating the front end of the G35 just a little bit. The plan and goal is for today, we are going to restore my headlights, swap out the front decal on my windshield, install a front splitter, and then do just one simple thing inside of the engine bay. But first, for the headlights, the plan is I'm taking the eyelids off. It's been a good run for these for a couple years, but obviously you guys can tell this was done with brand new OEM like paint in a spray can, and this is the paint on my car. So this is what it should look like, but this is what it looks like after, what, 13 years of, you know, the paint fading, obviously. So I knew it wouldn't match, but I didn't think it'd be this off. And it's just about time I get rid of these. They aren't really well done either. I really didn't know what I was doing when I was like prepping them and just doing all that. So those are coming off. And then as far as the headlights goes, they're not yellow, but I don't know if you guys can see on video, but there's just a slight haze to them. You guys should be able to see that. Let's go over, try this one. It's just ever so slight. I don't know if the picture will pick it up. I'll see, you know, when I edit this, but in real life, guys, there's just a haze. And I can tell because once you get water on these, and you know, like when I wash my car, they're perfectly clear. They look amazing. And then as soon as they start drying, you can see the haze. And then as far as the windshield decal, as you can see, it says official alien search team. This was the Area 51 joke. Probably the day this video, actually today is September 20th. So this is kind of old now. I'm going to take this off, replace it. I have a lip mode tuning little banner I'm going to put right here instead. So that's coming off. Front splitter we'll be putting on. It's sitting in that corner. It's been over there for months. And then on the inside, I'm wrapping the inlet part of my intake manifold, the kinetics manifold. I'm wrapping that in gold heat tape. So that's the plan. That's the goal for today. If anything, if I don't get anything else done, I at least want to do the headlights, because I know this will technically take the longest. So this is going to get done first, and then we'll probably do the decal, heat wrap, and then the splitter will probably be the last thing, or I might do it tomorrow. I might even make a separate video for that, which I'm leaning towards doing a separate video on that. So, but as far as right now, headlights, decal. All right, eyelids are coming off pretty easily. I'm just using a heat gun to heat it up and to get that glue or that 3M tape pretty loose, peel it up, and then for the most part, all the residue's coming off. I'll just hit that after with some simple green cleaners to clean them all up to get this off for when I sand them. But yeah, looking at this now and how this looks, I don't know why I ever put those eyelids on, because here's one with still the eyelid on. Guys, I think that looks a hell of a lot better than that. I don't know why I did that. You know, I wish I would have recorded just a little bit sooner, because the Scion XB that was driving by revved his engine and then just took off, and it was the most hilarious thing ever. It was loud, it just didn't look like it was moving. But anyways, it's time to get my little blade. It's time to take off this official alien search team decal. Now, like I said, I got this because of the whole Area 51 meme. I got this back in I think the very end of July. So I've had this for a good little over a month, but unfortunately the meme's over. The meme actually died like mid-August, I think. About mid-August, it just completely died. And people are actually, I guess, there now, because today is September 20th. So I guess people are there because I heard, or I guess they were doing some festival, music festival thing. But anyways, it's over. It's time to get this off, and then I'm going to put on my lip mode tuning banner decals. So this is I think this was like $5 or something, so it kind of hurts getting rid of it, but oh well. If I could even get, I might need to get a heat gun for this shit. This bitch is on there. Hold on. You know, props to this eBay seller. This is a freaking high-ass quality sticker, guys. This seriously is quality. Like, holy shit. This thing's, it's crazy. How... Ooh, that's some good shit right there. She's off. Little wad of vinyl. So yeah, with regards to the whole Area 51 thing, I'm actually a little butthurt because I made an Area 51 video, like how to prepare your car to storm Area 51. I made that video, and then with all the pictures I took, you know, with the camo and with that official alien decal thing, I was kind of hoping and expecting to have those pictures and videos gain a little more traction than what they did. So it was kind of a huge flop, kind of disappointed, but oh well, I tried. All right, I didn't film much else of the decal install because I was pretty much in the zone, really wanting to get this thing on, looking nice and proper and straight and even. Pretty sure it's even on both sides. Looks pretty centered up to me. Look pretty good. And I do like it because it's subtle, but you can still see it, still know that it's there. Definitely not as pronounced in your face as that big old alien vinyl I had, but I wanted this banner decal to, you know, rep lip mode tuning, let people know that this car is tuned, let them know, and just make it look a little more sleek, a little more elegant, not so much in your face, even though the wrap is already in your face. But it's cool. I like it. Nice and subtle. So it's actually a couple days later from when you guys watched that last clip. I just didn't have enough time to work on the headlights. I had to go into work that night, and I really wanted these to really have a good long cure time. So it's Monday now, and that's probably when this video will go up, is tonight. But I just got back from class. I don't work until the weekend, so we're gonna do this now. Let it sit all overnight, and we'll see how it goes. So right now, I just got my water, grabbing the 800 grit sandpaper. I've already cleaned the surface a bit, and we're gonna get to sanding. So I'm a little nervous, but we're just gonna send it. So, all right, I'm super nervous. Oh, just went right into it. God. So we're gonna make sure this really stays nice and wet. sure you get the edges. Don't want to forget those. All right, so you guys can tell, looking a lot more hazy now. So I'm gonna clean this off with some Simple Green just to really get everything off. Then we're going to go over to, what, did I start with 800? Then we're gonna go up to the 1000 grit. I was gonna do 600. I kind of already fucked that up. So we're just gonna go to the 1000 and do that. Okay, so here's the 1000 grit. I think what I'm gonna do now, because I kind of fucked it up and I wanted to start with 600, but I started with 800. So instead we're gonna go to 1000 and then I'll go to 1500. The 1000 grit is done. Man, you know, guys, I really hope this turns out, because the way it's looking right now, oh man, the haze, oh, it looks terrible. But I think if I put water on it, it starts to clear up. Like you can see, when you put water on it, it clears up. So I think we're looking good. I think we're looking good, guys. So now I'm gonna do the 1500. Then I'm gonna really clean everything very well and we'll mask it off and hopefully she turns out good. Everything's all taped off and masked off, and guys, do not be afraid to go overboard on the masking and the taping. You really don't want overspray anywhere. So I pretty well covered this area pretty well. I figured I'm gonna be spraying from this angle right here. I guess I could move this, but yeah, really I think I'm gonna go at this angle. So I'm gonna be kind of facing away, even though I put this covering the engine bay. This has a little flat because of the hood prop to really stop any clear coat. Really made sure to tape around the edges. And yeah, I cleaned it off one more time. I'm gonna let it sit just to really dry. And I'll probably do one more quick wipe down and then we'll be good to clear coat. So I just did the first coat, very light coat. And guys, goddamn, this stuff is potent. Like, oh my God, the cloud it left is crazy. And the spray pattern on this thing is ridiculous. It's like, it's super, super wide. So I finally got it down, but like I said, I just did a really quick, just super light, and look at it already, guys. God damn. It already looks so good. So yeah, I'm gonna give that like probably a good 20 minutes to really dry. And then I'm just gonna keep it up with the light coats. I don't wanna go too heavy because the last thing I wanna do is get a run. So I'm just gonna keep doing it light, keep doing it like that. It should turn out nice. All right, to update you guys. Right side is all sanded down and taped up, ready to go. Here is the left side. I think I'm on my 5th coat right now. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera. It's a little hazy still right here. I'm kind of hoping more clear coat over that will kind of balance it out. Guys, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the last 2 coats, or last 2 coats, I went pretty heavy on it, thinking maybe if I just added more clear, it'll deal with that haziness in the lens. And check this out. Look at that. I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. The haziness that was right there in the bottom went away. Oh my God, it looks so good. I can't wait for this. I'm probably gonna give it another maybe 20-ish minutes to fully dry. Probably enough time when I finish that lens. And yeah, I can't wait to get all this paper off and back it out into the sunlight before it gets dark. Show you guys what it looks like outside. All right, guys, we're finally done, finally finished. Before I show you the final product, I just want to, God, oh my God, guys, it looks so good. Oh my, okay, so before I show you guys the final product, I just want to recap, and we'll just go over what we did. So first and foremost, you want to just clean the headlights with whatever. Just make sure they're clean. Then you want to wet sand. Now, depending on the condition of your headlights and whether how bad they are, I probably wouldn't go below maybe like 400 grit. I wouldn't go below that. Probably at most you'd have to go maybe 600, but so for me, I went 800, 1000, then 1500 wet sanded. So I cleaned between each sanding, 800, 1000, 1500, cleaned it, masked everything off. And I mean, guys, mask everything as much as you can. You don't want to deal with overspray. It's annoying. I even think I have some overspray on the top of my fenders, like towards the back. I can kind of feel it, so that's kind of annoying. But yeah, mask everything off, start your clear coat. I recommend that 2K clear coat, the really expensive stuff. It's like, it's super professional, really good. I'm super happy and impressed with how, you know, mine turned out. So you're gonna want to do that. I waited 20 minutes between each coat. That may be a bit overkill. You probably could do 10 to 15 minutes, but I really wanted to take my time. So I waited 20 minutes, and then I did 5 coats total, which again also maybe a bit overkill, but I did it anyway. So guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. After this, I'll play and show the before footage, and then I'll do the after footage. But until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.